The Toyota 4Runner is one of the only modern SUVs with a fully retractable power rear window in the liftgate, and it's become one of the model's defining features. To roll down the window, you have two options. From the outside, locate the two buttons at the rear of the vehicle. If you press either button once, you will lock or unlock the vehicle. But if you press and hold either button, the rear window will roll up or down. You can also control the rear window from inside. Simply use the rear window switch located on the overhead console. We're always adding more helpful and interesting videos to your channel, so remember to like and subscribe so you can stay ahead and get the most out of your vehicle.